Okay, welcome everybody to another edition of 52 Tips. This is where I try to give you one tip a week for a year, a new tip every week that's going to increase profitability in your business. And today we are going to talk about supply chain constraints. Across the globe, what we are seeing today is massive supply chain constraints where you're actually having to pay more for your vendor to your vendors to send you things and produce stuff for you than ever before. That includes people vendors as well as vendors who are actually providing the product or service or raw material for you. Whatever that is, we are seeing supply constraints across the board. So my typical answer is, well, we should try to negotiate and buy in bulk or pay early or do something to get a discount. I'm going to go in the opposite direction today. Because what we're facing is a supply constraint. And I love situations where it's heads I win, tails I win. If I can't go out and negotiate for price discounts based on buying in bulk or paying early or long-term contracts, I'm going to go the opposite way, and I'm going to search for new ways to get the same thing done. I was talking to one of our clients this morning who's a manufacturer, and I was telling them, this might be a time that we don't need to manufacture in China anymore. We might want to think about going to Vietnam or Bangladesh. And we have the volume to pair potentially with other manufacturers of similar kinds to start to get enough work in other places, set up factories of our own, etc. Because if prices are going up 5, 10, 15%, if you're having to put massive deposits out 6, 9 months in advance, it might be time to look for new solutions. It might even be time to bring back manufacturing domestically. So don't think there's only one way to do it. In one market, it's one way. In another market, it's another. Your job as the CEO, as the business owner, as the person driving good decisions in your company is to find the answer in any market. There's always an answer somewhere. There's always a way to cut costs and increase that gross profit margin. Because today, when I was talking to that business owner, if we find a 2% decrease in cost of goods sold, a 2% decrease in that manufacturing cost, what we are going to do is drop $280,000 to the bottom line immediately. That's real money, real profitability. So find a way. In this market or in this market, there's always a way, and we're here to help.